How to have more than one account on Poppo Live. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you've been looking to manage more than one account on Poppo Live but weren't sure how, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up and use multiple accounts on Poppo Live, so let's dive in. To start, Poppo Live allows you to have more than one account, but you'll need to use different phone numbers or email addresses for each one, and here's what you need to do. First, log out of your current Poppo Live account. Once you're logged out, go to the sign up page, enter a new email or create a new email, then enter it or a new phone number and follow the prompts to create a new account. You can either use a new email or phone number, but as long as they are not already linked to another Poppo Live account. Next, after successfully creating your second account, you can log in and switch between accounts whenever you want. One simple method is to log out from one account and log into the other, or you can use multiple devices to keep both accounts active simultaneously. Another option is to use a third-party app like a multi-account manager that allows you to use two accounts at once, but be careful about the security of any third-party apps you use. And that's it. Now you know how to manage more than one account on Poppo Live. Got questions? Drop them in the comments and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.